Hello guys and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to talk about how to build an HTML list and how or what it consists of. Let's not waste any more time and let's hop into the video. Let's go. In HTML lists we have three main types. Our first type is the ordered list. Ordered lists are actually the lists that are ordered alphabetically or numerically. Just like this. A, then our first item. B, and then the second item. And so on. The second type of ordered lists are the numerical lists. Numerical lists are ordered 1, 2, or using the Roman numbers, just like this. Okay, so this is the first type of lists we're going to take today. Second type of lists is the unordered lists. Unordered lists are lists that actually it's not ordered by numbers. It's ordered by shapes, maybe disks, maybe not ordered by anything, maybe ordered by circles. And the most exciting one is the description list. The description list is a list that our item needs to be like explained under it. Like maybe I have a restaurant and our menu consists of a weird name drink. Maybe this name is named after the restaurant name or whatever. Maybe it's named after the restaurant name. This is our drink, just like here. And actually people doesn't know what's this drink about. Is it fresh drinks or it's maybe a hot drink? We don't know. Maybe under its term or under the list item we need to describe this term. Maybe I'm just gonna say it consists of almond milk, and maybe espresso or coffee, and some heavy cream or cream. Okay, so this is why we use description lists. So let's start and see how these lists are written. I just started a Visual Studio Code project and open my project on my browser. To make an ordered list, we just have to write ordered list, but like this. OL means ordered lists. I'm just gonna close my tag, just like this. And here, I'm just gonna write the items of my list. Maybe my first list, or this list consists of the languages or programming languages that is used to make a website. I'm just gonna write the HTML in the first item, and the second thing or the second item just gonna say CSS, and the last item is the JavaScript. Okay, and when I open my project into the browser, as you can see, we have three main items: the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that we were written before in our project. Now, I don't want it to be ordered numerically. I want it to be ordered alphabetically also. Okay, we're just gonna do one step. All you just have to do is to write the type attribute here and choose the type you want in your list, or the ordering type in your list. Maybe I'm just gonna use the uppercase alphabetically ordering, just like this. And when I use or open my list in my browser, as you can see here, it's ordered alphabetically A, B, C. Now this type is really easy. So what about other types? Maybe an unordered list. So I'm gonna make an unordered list, and it's just similar to the ordered list. Just gonna type UL and close the tag. And maybe I'm just gonna use the same stuff, just like this. And when I open also this list in my browser, I'm just gonna comment this this list, so we're just gonna see everything clearly. And to do that, just select your list and you type or click control and forward slash, like that, and it's automatically commented. And let's open our project. As you can see, it's circles. It's ordered by circles, and it's actually unordered, just circles followed by our item. So easy. But there is another thing about unordered lists. You can actually change the type of the shape that you want to be using into your list items. Just in CSS, just so easy. There is a command that says list style type, and here maybe just select square. And when you open again your project in your browser, as you can see, it's the shape is now a square. Now let's make our exciting list, our description list. Now the description list is the DL element, and actually it's not only a list item, it's a data term, or sorry, a description term, and the description term description here. Maybe I'm just gonna write the same thing but using some describing to the term. And actually this extension in Visual Studio Code is the GitHub Copilot extension I use for myself, and I see it really helpful. Okay, and it's made by GitHub. It consists of code completions and chat messages, just like here. And actually this thing that I use just right now is the code completion. Okay, so to open the chat box, all you have to do is to click the view icon in your Visual Studio Code right here, and you select the chat option, and there it is. You can just ask him to do a list or whatever you want. And if you want more information about the GitHub Copilot extension, just wait for a video and we'll explain everything about it. The description list consists of three main parts. Okay, the first part is the description list, or the defining. The second part is the description term, which is the main item, and we have the description of our term. And when you open your browser to see the changes, as you can see here, that it's actually our item and followed by our description. Okay, and actually you can make nested lists. Maybe you have an ordered list consists of maybe uh, maybe the li consists of, maybe I'm gonna talk about HTML5, or we can actually talk about web development, and it's used by these. And then we're gonna talk about the mobile development and used by these. And I don't want this. Okay. When you open your browser here, you can see that you can make multiple lists into each other. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like the video, and leave a comment.